Hi, and welcome to Afia Record Patient Portal. I'm Moesha. Let me take you through this incredible portal. Here we have the home screen. This will show you the last 4 files you have updated for easy access to your most recently uploaded data. Here on the health profile page, you can fill in your health profile. Things like your date of birth, your weight, your height, blood pressure, temperature, gender, or heart rate, even your blood type. You can also add any allergies you have. This is where you'll have a summary of your medical biodata. Next, we go to the My Appointments page. Here you are able to book your medical appointments with certified medical practitioners and specialists made available to you on the Afia Record website. This page makes it easy for you to follow with existing appointments. Let's move on to the My Health Journal page. At Afia Record, we make it easy for you to track your health symptoms. And here on the My Medical folder page, this is where you have your root folder or your main folder. It contains all the files and folders that you create. This is also the place where you'll see the files that you have shared with anyone else, as well as the files that you have received from others. If you do remove a file, you can still find it in the trash section, just in case. Your activities stream highlights a history of all the actions undertaken in the Universal Patient Portal, or the UPP. And here, when you click on My Dependents, you can add, change, or manage the sub-accounts of all dependents. This is like kids or elderly parents. On the My Visit page, you'll find all the information from your hospital visit, which also includes vitals, lab results, and any imagery like X-rays or MRI scan documents. Finally, when you go to the My Profile, you'll now see your unique Afia Record code, linked dependent accounts, activity stream, and all your contact information. We hope you enjoy the Afia Record Patient Portal and realize how important and easy it is to use. #Own your health with Afia Record.